Hello everyone, welcome to your channel Botany Now. This is Jyotirmay Nanda. In the previous series, we have discussed the important abbreviations in biology. In this series, we will start the unique species and its category. I hope you all like this video. So don't forget to like, share and comment in the comment box. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for notification.
The first category is largest plant. Sequoia sempervirens is known as the largest plant. The common name of this species is coast redwood. It is a gymnosperm and the monoecious plant. यही प्लांट बहुत वर्ष जाके बंची रही थाए एंड एटा 1200 रु 1800 वर्ष जाके बंची थाए. Then largest dicot plant. Eucalyptus leucoxylon is known as the largest dicot plant. The common name of this plant is yellow gum or blue gum. यही प्लांट रो हाइट होची 10 to 30 मीटर. Then smallest angiosperm. Lemna is known as the smallest angiosperm. The common name of lemna is dockweed and it is a free floating aquatic plant. एही प्लांट जल रे देखा जाए एवं जल रे एटा freely भासी थाए. Then plant with biggest flower. Rafflesia is known as the biggest flower. This flower emits repulsive odor similar to rotting meat. Therefore, it is known as corpse flower. Then, plant with smallest flower. Ulphia areja is known as the smallest flower. The common name of Ulphia areja is spotless watermill or rootless dockweed. एही प्लांट रे रूट absent रही थाए and it is a monocot plant and also it is a aquatic species. एही species मध्य जल रे देखा जाए. Then plants producing biggest seed. Lodoicea secularum is the plant that produces the biggest seed. The common name of this species is sea coconut or double coconut and it belongs to the family palm. Then plants producing smallest seed. So orchids produce the smallest seed. This flower is very colorful and it emits fragrant smell and this flower produce the smallest seed. Then plants with biggest fruit. Lodoicea maldivica is the plant that produce the biggest fruit. The common name of this species is also known as sea coconut and it has the biggest fruit. Then plants with biggest leaf. Raffia has the biggest leaf. It belongs to the family palm. The fiber extracted from raffia is used to make textiles, mats, baskets, hats, etc. Then seed without seed coat. The family Xanthalaceae produce the seed without seed coat. The majority of the species belongs to this family are root parasite. Example is sandalwood species. Then plants with longest root. Walewichia has the longest root. It is a monotypic gymnosperm and it is also known as tree tombo. Why it is unique? It has very condensed unbranched stem and two persistent leaves are present that grow for the entire life of the plant. Then, smallest living cell. Mycoplasma is the smallest living cell, and the other name of mycoplasma is PPLO, that is pleuropneumonia like organism, and it is the smallest cell. Then, plant with largest egg cell. Cycas has the largest egg cell. It belongs to the family Cycadaceae and it is a gymnosperm. Then, Indian national flower. Nelumbium is the Indian national flower. It is a genus of aquatic plants with large and showy flower. ଏହି ପ୍ଲାଣ୍ଟ ଜଳରେ ଦେଖାଯାଏ and the common name of this plant is lotus. ଏହାର common name ହେଉଛି lotus. ଏଇଟା ଜଳରେ ଦେଖାଯାଏ and ଏହାର flower large and showy. Then the longest cell. Nerve cell is known as the longest cell. Then biggest pollen grain. Mirabilis has the biggest pollen grain. Then smallest tree. Salix is the smallest tree. The common name of salix is sallows. It is used as a remedy for cold, fevers, joint pains, etc. थंडा जर जॉइंट पेन हेले आमे सालिक्स को रिमेडी आकार रे व्यवहार करि थाउ. देन नेशनल फ्रूट ऑफ इंडिया. Mangifera indica is known as the national fruit of India. We have already known this. The common name of Mangifera indica is mango. Then the national flower of India. Nelumbium is known as the national flower of India and the common name of Nelumbium is lotus. Then plant indicator for gold. Equisetum is known as plant indicator for gold. The common name of Equisetum is buckwheats. It grows in soil that contains volcanic ash, which commonly exists in areas where ancient hydrothermal vents can produce gold. Therefore, it is known as the plant indicator for gold. Then, plant indicator for pollution. Lichen bryophytes are known as the plant indicators for pollution. These species are very sensitive and can be used in monitoring pollution. Then, root with multiple root cap. The root with multiple root cap is found in the species like Pandanus. We have already known this when we are discussing the stilt root. Pandanus has the stilt root and it has the multiple root cap. Then, plant without root cap. In case of hydrophytes, the root caps are absent. Therefore, in case of hydrophytes, it possesses root pockets and these root pockets consist of parenchyma cells. These parenchyma cells helps the hydrophytes floating in water. Then living fossil. Ginkgo and cycas are known as the living fossil. Then, smallest animal virus. Foot and mouth virus of cattle is known as smallest animal virus. Then, smallest plant virus. Tobacco necrosis virus is known as the smallest plant virus. Then, chocolate tree. Theobroma cacao is known as the chocolate tree. Its seed is called cocoa beans, and these cocoa beans are used to make chocolate liqueur, cocoa butter, and chocolate. Therefore, this species is known as the chocolate tree. Then, jewel of plant kingdom. Diatoms are known as the jewel of plant kingdom. Because of cellular ornamentation and presence of golden brown chromatophores, diatoms are called jewels of plant kingdom. The diatom has the chromatophores whose color is golden brown. Therefore, it is known as the jewel of plant kingdom. The question of this lecture is, which plant is known as chocolate tree? Options are Lodoicea maldivica, option B Eucalyptus leucoxylon, option C Theobroma cacao, option D Mangifera indica. Dear students, please give the correct answer of this question after watching the full video.